Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix OTP not receiving on your message Android phone. So all you need to do is make sure you did not turn on the spam and block on your message app. You can see this. I actually turned on mine, and you can see all the OTP codes I've received are actually here. So how do you actually fix that problem? You simply need to first of all go to Play Store and make sure your Google Message app has been updated. So you can just simply do this, go right here, update it. So after an update and it has been updated, you're going to see where it says open. So once you open it up, you go straight to the message app and go to your profile right here, and you open up the spam and blocked, and you're going to see the code right here. And you can also choose to turn off the setting of spam. Go to the message settings and you're going to scroll down to where you see protection and safety. Click on that and you're going to see where it says spam protection. You have to turn this off. Once you turn this off, you'll be able to receive all OTP codes directly to your phone. Very easy. So you can see I no longer have those messages, so all of them is going to enter to my main inbox. So this is literally how to just fix that problem. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and quickly subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.